children, let's start with chapter number 10, mapping by neighborhood. So let's study about the different place, how we locate them. Now, locating places. The best way to know how to get at to one place from another is to remember some landmarks and direction. So landmark is a place or a thing like hospital, post office, which helps us to recognize place easily. For locating any place, knowledge of direction is also very important. आपको direction की knowledge होनी चाहिए. Now the four main direction are east, west, north, south. Stand facing the rising sun in the morning. It always comes up in the same direction. So from where do the sun rise? Sun rises in the east, set in the west. Right? Now sketch made easy. So a rough drawing of a place is called sketch, and sketch is not exact measurement. It has symbols which are types of signs or letters showing different landmarks. It is very easy to locate places with the help of sketch. आप easily क्या कर सकते हो places को locate कर सकते हो with the help of sketch. Now here is a sketch made by Raman's father for him. This shows the way from Para's house to his school. ठीक है, ये आपने देखा यहाँ पे symbols दिए हुए हैं लेटर बॉक्स के लिए. ये हॉस्पिटल, टेम्पल, पेट्रोल पंप एंड स्कूल. Now let's read about Raman's and how to tell about the sketch made by his father. I start walking on the road from my house and take a right turn near the letterbox. So after walking on a road for 5 minutes, what happened? I take a left turn near the hospital. Then comes a temple on the right hand side. I take a right turn from there, and after that I take a left turn from the petrol pump, crossing and reach my school, which is on the opposite side. Now learning symbols. Symbols are used to tell us about the place, object or idea. Right? We have many place symbols like universal, like flag of the nation, crosses of churches, traffic signals. Right? So for that, look at it carefully. Okay. This is the area of the school. This is a principal office. Yeah, this is your library. This is your uniform counter. This is your canteen and your sports room and school office. Okay, it's a place which is called school, and different places I have told you which we found in our school. Next is how big is your school? Where your school located? You have to give the answers yourself, right? Now map reading. Let's study about the map reading. This is the political map of India. You can see over here different states have been shown here with their capital. So a map is very helpful in locating places. A map is a drawing of a large area in detail on flat surface. It is not possible to show the exact distance of the map. So a distance of 200 kilometer is shown in 2 centimeter because map जो होता है वो थोड़ा छोटा साइज का होता है और हम इतना बड़ा किलोमीटर्स में नहीं दिखा सकते. Right? This is called scale of map. Every map show a scale. A book of map is called atlas. ठीक है, और जो book होती है map की उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Atlas कहते हैं. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.